All right. Mrs. Gleason asked her 35 students what they ate over the Thanksgiving holiday. She found that 21 had eaten turkey, 11 had eaten stuffing, and 17 had eaten pumpkin pie. She also found that 7 had eaten both turkey and stuffing. All right. 3 had eaten both stuffing and pumpkin pie, and 10 had eaten both turkey and pumpkin pie. If 4 students had not eaten turkey, stuffing, or pumpkin pie, how many ate all 3? Alright, well, this is a job for a Venn diagram. Alright, I don't know if you've done Venn diagrams before, but we just need to organize all this information, and it's kind of hard as it is now to kind of get a handle on what we're dealing with. So we have sets of kids, right? And some have eaten turkey, some have eaten stuffing, some have eaten pumpkin pie, okay? Some have eaten both. Some have eaten 2 things, and some have eaten none, and some probably ate all 3, right? Because that's what we were asked to find, is how many ate all 3. So we can represent those sets as circles, okay? So if we take this circle as being the set of all the kids who've eaten turkey, all right? And let's draw another circle to represent the set of all the kids who have eaten stuffing. Alright? And you notice that they overlap because some of the kids ate both stuffing and turkey. Alright? And then we have another set of kids that ate what? They ate pumpkin pie. Pumpkin pie. Alright? And you notice again they overlap because some kids ate turkey and pumpkin pie, some kids ate stuffing and pumpkin pie, they'd be in this area here, and some kids ate all 3. Alright, so some kids are in this set, in this set, and that's what's represented here by this middle intersection. Alright, so a Venn diagram is a good way to organize the data for this problem. So, what have we got? We've got 21 had eaten turkey. So let's put that on the diagram. Now, 21 represents this whole set. It includes kids who only ate turkey, kids who ate turkey and pumpkin pie, kids who ate turkey and stuffing, and kids who ate all 3. So what I'm going to do, instead of writing it in the area anywhere in here, I'm actually going to write it on the line. That helps me keep track of it helps me remember that that is the whole set if I write it on the line. In the same way for stuffing, we have 11 kids ate stuffing. So I'll write that on the line because it actually includes all the kids who ate stuffing and turkey, stuffing and pumpkin pies. Some people ate all 3 and some people only had stuffing. So in the same way, let's see, 17 had eaten pumpkin pies, so I'll put 17 on the line right there. Alright, so that's the first 3 data items. And then we have some that have eaten both turkey and stuffing. Okay, so it says, okay, turkey and stuffing is represented by this football shape here. But you have to remember that it also includes the kids who ate turkey and stuffing and pumpkin pie. So again, I'm going to write it on the line to remind myself that that's the whole set of kids who ate turkey and stuffing, and it also includes the kids who ate pumpkin pie as well. So I'm going to put a 7 right here on the line. And 3 had eaten stuffing and pumpkin pie. Alright, so let's write a 3 on the line because, again, some kids ate stuffing and pumpkin pie, and some of those kids also ate turkey. Alright, so this 3 includes the kids who also ate turkey. And then finally, what else do we have? We have, right, we had 7, 3, and then we have 10 that ate both turkey and pumpkin pie. Alright, so I'll put that on the line here. So turkey and pumpkin pie is this whole set, including this intersection here. Alright? And then, what else do we know? We know that she has 35 students, and we know that some kids didn't have any of these things. So let's draw a box around this whole thing, all right, to represent all of the kids in the class. So that's 35. Again, I'll write it on the line because it's the whole set. And then we know that 4 didn't need any of these things. So we have 4 out here in no man's land, right? They're outside these 3 sets, okay? All right, so now we've taken all the data that we were given in the problem and we've kind of organized it in a Venn diagram, all right? V-E-N-N diagram. All right, handy tool for organizing data for certain kinds of problems. All right, so, and then we are asked to find how many ate all 3, and that is represented here in this region. So we'll just call that X because we don't really know that value. But if we did know that value, we could subtract from 7 and we could find the kids that ate only turkey and stuffing, right? So if we subtracted out the kids who ate pumpkin pie in addition to turkey and stuffing, we would have just the kids that had turkey and stuffing. So this would be 7 minus X, okay, that region there, okay? In the same way here, we have some kids who ate stuffing and pumpkin pie and some that ate all 3, so if we subtract X from 3, we have the region, the set of kids who ate only turkey and pumpkin pie, but not, only stuffing and pumpkin pie, but not turkey. And we could say this is 10 minus X, this area here, because this represents the kids who ate turkey and pumpkin pie, but not stuffing. All right. So let's keep going. We know we have a 11 in this region that ate stuffing. And if we subtract out these 3 regions, we'll get the kids who only ate stuffing and not turkey and not pumpkin pie. All right, so we'd have 11 minus 7, well, it's minus the whole quantity, 7 minus X, all right, minus X minus the quantity 3 minus X, okay? And if we simplify that down, we actually get, let's see, well, let's just do it. So we'd have to distribute the negative signs within the parentheses. So we'd have 11 minus 7, which is 4, and 4 minus 3, which is 1. So it looks like we have 1, and then we have a positive x because it's a negative of a negative, and another positive x here. So we have 2x minus x, so it's 1 plus x, all right? So that is just the simplification of this whole thing, all right? And let's see, the same way here, we could say we had 17, and if we subtract out the 10 minus x, 10 minus x, minus x, minus 3 minus x, okay, it's minus that whole quantity, and that reduces down to what? 17 minus 10 is 7, and minus 3 is 4, okay, and then we end up with 2x minus x, so we add a plus x, alright? So we have 4 plus x, and here we had 1 plus x, and here we have 21 minus 7 minus x, minus 10 minus x, okay? We're just finding the kids who only ate turkey and not stuffing or pumpkin pie. So 21 minus 10 is 11, minus 7 is 4, so we have 4 plus x, right, as our simplified equation. All right, so now we know there were 35 kids and 4 of them didn't eat any of these. So within these 3 sets, we have a total of 31. All right, so if we were to add up all these regions in this Venn diagram, we should get 31 kids. So let's do that. Now the first thing I'm going to do, I'm just going to take this. I know this whole set is 21, so I'm just going to write 21. You know, instead of writing 4 plus x plus 10 minus x plus 7 minus x, I know that's 21. So that'll simplify things. So this whole thing is 21, the whole set of kids that ate turkey. And then I only have 3 more regions that I have to add in. I have 21 plus 1 plus x, and then plus 3 minus x, oops, and then here I have plus 4 plus x. And I know that has to equal 31. So, well, let's simplify this. I have a positive x and a minus x. I'll just cancel those out. And I can actually subtract 21. That's pretty easy. Subtract 21 from both sides. So that gives me 1 plus 3 plus 4 plus x is equal to 10. Right? And then I have 8. So if I subtract 8 here and subtract 8 here, I get x is equal to 2. Alright, so the number of kids that ate that ate all 3, turkey, stuffing, and pumpkin pie, is 2. Alright, just doing the algebra. Let's see what that looks like. Let's check it out and make sure that works. Make sure it makes sense. So we could redraw this Venn diagram down here. I'm just going to draw it smaller here. Alright, so we know now we have 2 in this region. We had 21. So now we know x. So this was 7 minus x, so this had to be 5. This is 10 minus x, so this had to be 8. And this 3 minus x, which is 1. Okay, this is x plus 1, so this has to be 3. X plus 4 is 6. And this again was x plus 4, so this is 6. Okay, I'm just taking the equations out of here and plugging them in. And let's make sure. So this was turkey, and this was stuffing, and this was pie. Alright, so let's make sure that it all makes sense. So we have 8 plus 2 plus 11, that's 21, which is what we wanted. And here we have 8 plus 2 plus 1, which is 11, so that's what we wanted. Again, this is 10 plus 7 is 17, so it works out. So, and they all add up to 31. If you added all these numbers up, you could check it out and make sure they add up to 31, and then you'd have 4 out here who didn't eat any of these items, and that should all add to 35. Okay, so it's a good idea to check yourself. It's really easy to make mistakes. So there you go. The answer is there were 2 kids who ate both, or all 3, turkey, stuffing, and pumpkin pie.